Another round, and hear me well, of the tiefling witch with a dangerous spell. She walked in slow through a blizzard's bite. Snow turned soft in the lantern light. Torment held high with a wicked grin, and every soul felt warmth within. No fire she cast, no flames took hold, yet armor felt a little less cold. A single wink, a subtle sway, and winter melted right away. No frost can stand where her magic goes, and not all winter is made of snow. Delight. Armies march with steel and pride. Now they queue at the tavern side. Raise your mugs and guard your will, for colder lands grow warmer still. 1,000 soldiers grim and stern came north with banners, blades to burn. But one soft laugh from horn and tail, and discipline began to fail. Helmets dropped and swords forgot, strategies lost or just not thought. For every man with a battle cry now begged for just a passing eye. No siege, no war, no blood was spilled, just hearts undone and spirits thrilled. Oh, how the witch who warms the night turns frozen fields to sheer delight. Armies march with steel and pride. Now they queue at the tavern side. Raise your mugs and guard your will, for colder lands grow warmer still. They say the north was once all ice, endless white and bitter price. But travelers swear when she's around, the snow ain't always what you found. Boots sink deep where drift should be, but not in frost, if you follow me. The tavern swelled, the doors burst wide, an army packed from wall to side. The windows fogged, the rafters shook, no bard alive could write that book. An igloo formed from breath and heat collapsed beneath stomping feet, and somewhere lost in laugh and cheer, winter vanished far from here. Oh, 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 the witch who warms the night turns frozen fields to sheer delight. No king, no crown, no war remains, just roaring fire in mortal veins. So drink it down and don't ask why. The coldest lands run warm and dry. So if you march where the north winds blow, and the ground feels strange beneath the snow, turn back, my friend, or enjoy the show.